We need more electricity. It's just simple math. Electrons generated compared to electrons consumed. Why? Well, there's artificial intelligence, data centers, manufacturing, electric vehicles. No matter where you look, the answer seems to be the same. Build more generation. Build it faster. Build it now. And among all the power generation technologies available today, solar is the fastest to deploy. But that doesn't mean it's fast enough. Because it's one thing to approve a project. It's another thing to actually build it, to get equipment delivered, to get crews on site, to get the system installed, commissioned, and actually generating electricity. I spent decades in the power generation industry. I started as an IBEW electrician, working with my tools, and later managed large power projects. And one thing I've learned is that a project doesn't create value until it's operating. It doesn't matter how good the technology is, how strong the business case is, or how excited everyone is about the announcement. A project doesn't produce a single electron until it's built and operating. Because as electricity demand continues to grow, deployment speed is becoming a competitive advantage all by itself. Let's get into it. And let's start with what's happening right now. Data centers need power. Manufacturers need power. Utilities need more capacity. Electricity demand is growing faster than most experts predicted just a few years ago. There's a lot of talk about building more generation. But here's a challenge. Building generation, it takes time. Permitting takes time. Interconnection takes time. And construction, it takes time. And while we often focus on the technology itself, we need to spend more time talking about how quickly we can actually deploy it. For as long as they've been built, utility-scale solar projects have followed the same process. Materials arrive on site. Racking is assembled. Modules are installed. Cabling is completed. Testing is performed. And then commissioning takes place. And there's really nothing wrong with that approach. It's how the industry has built thousands of successful projects. But it requires significant labor, significant coordination, and significant time. And when you're racing to bring new generation online, every day matters. But what if there was a faster way? What if sections of a solar array arrived on site already assembled? What if they were pre-wired, factory built, ready to deploy? What if instead of spending weeks assembling thousands of individual components in the field, crews could deploy solar in a fraction of the time? Think about what that could mean. Smaller crews, fewer labor hours, less equipment on site, less exposure to weather delays, and perhaps most importantly, faster deployment. So let's put some numbers around it. Imagine being able to deploy around 1.5 megawatts of solar capacity per week with a crew of only 3 to 4 people. Think about that for a moment. Not 30 people, not 50 people, 3 to 4 people. As someone who spent years managing construction projects, that's the part that immediately got my attention. Because when you reduce labor requirements and simplify deployment, you're not just saving labor cost. You're reducing schedule risk. You're reducing coordination challenges. You're reducing the number of things that can go wrong. And you're accelerating the timeline to revenue generation. If you're a developer, faster deployment means reaching commercial operations sooner. If you're a utility, it means bringing needed capacity online faster. If you're supporting a manufacturing facility, it means saving money sooner. And if you're an EPC, it means lowering project risk and improved execution. The point is simple. The faster a project is built, the sooner it starts creating value. And in today's market, that matters more than ever. The solar industry, it's entering a new phase. For years, the focus was on panel efficiency. Then it became inverter technology. Now we're going to see much greater focus on deployment efficiency. How fast can you build it? How many labor hours does it require? How quickly can it start producing electricity? Those questions are becoming increasingly important. If you're evaluating a utility-scale solar project, a large commercial or industrial project, or any project where deployment speed matters, we'd be happy to take a look. NextGen Clean Energy Solutions works with developers, EPCs, engineering firms, utilities, manufacturers, and project owners to evaluate how this alternative deployment approach will reduce schedules, lower risk, and improve project economics. Not every project is a fit, but if deployment speed is important, it's worth exploring. Reach out to us, info@nextgencleanenergy.com. Just send us some basic information about your project, and let's see if there's an opportunity to get you online faster. Think about it. We'll catch you next time.